Good afternoon, everybody. We are inside a beautiful detached condominium here at the newest community of Toll Brothers called the Loughton. And this is the Fitzroy model home. And as you can see, guys, plenty of design elements you can follow through, right? And they have amazing floor plans here. And I can't wait for us to tour this, guys. But before we proceed, I wanted to let you know, don't forget to watch the other plan. It's called the Loughton, right? That one has a first floor bedroom on the plan, which is a primary bedroom down on the first floor, and the ability to put a second floor bedroom. That also has a terrace. So definitely, if you're looking for that plan, check out the link down below on the description. We put there the model home tour of the Loughton plan. Today, we are going to tour this plan, which is a Fitzroy. So the Fitzroy, the kitchen or the main living area is on the second floor and the garage is down below. So I can't wait for us to tour this, guys. Lots of natural light coming inside. In fact, I counted the windows. They are a total of 13. So definitely amazing views of the mountains as well, right? And this is an easy commute to the amazing downtown Summerlin. Take a look at the scene, guys. This is the amazing downtown Summerlin. And they also have quick move-ins here. Take a look at the screen, guys. This is the available quick move-ins wherein you can just bring your toothbrush and toothpaste and you're ready to live a beautiful and bountiful life here in Las Vegas. And don't forget to bring your mouthwash with you when you move in. Okay, I can't wait. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Can't wait to tour this together. Let's tour this beautiful detached condominium together.
Hi there. Before we begin the tour, let me show you how to get to the Loughton by Toll Brothers from the Bellagio Fountains.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are here back at the newest community of Toll Brothers called the Loughton, and this is your community, guys. They will have a swimming pool here in the middle, and then these are the model homes, right? This is the Fitzroy. As you can see, the Fitzroy has some garages down below it, and one of them is being shared by the Loughton. But this is the garage, right, of the Fitzroy, which is the model we're gonna do today. If you forget to watch the model home called Loughton, definitely check out the YouTube channel page. You'll see it there, Toll Brothers Loughton model plan. And this one has the terrace up there, and then the first floor bedroom is down below. The primary bedroom is down below. So definitely, we toured that already. Check out the channel page if you wanted to see that, or comment down below and I can send you the link. This one is a detached condominium, guys. So definitely, as of the current moment, $385 is the HOA. It comes with the swimming pool and the trash and water. Okay, this is the Fitzroy, and this is the garage area. They are showcasing how it looks like inside, right? That is your tank. Okay, a large SUV will fit in here, definitely. It's very long. Okay, and then you have a MyQ garage pad. That's amazing. Okay, we're gonna go at the front so you can see how it looks like if your guests will arrive at your front door. This is how it looks like, guys. This is the Fitzroy, right? I can't wait for you to enjoy this beautiful home. Welcome to your next beautiful home, guys. So the way it works is that your main kitchen and primary bedroom is located on that second floor there. And then this is the area for your washer and dryer. Okay, a really nice tall washer dryer with linens, right? Okay. And then they're giving an idea, you can do this kind of a design, okay, upon entering the home. So how it works is, this is the garage door we saw a while ago, right? So for example, you park your Tesla, Lamborghini, McLaren, Bugatti, Pagani, GLC electric SUV, Mercedes-Benz, your Toyota, your Rivian, right? Whatever you have in life, guys, you park them there and you enter the home like this. And then you have some clothes to wash, so immediately washed them there. And then this is the stairs leading you to the main area, right? Okay, so let's do that. Let's go to the main area. Beautiful wooden floors, right? Love the floors. Okay, welcome to your next open concept floor plan. Wow. There's a wow factor upon entering this second floor, guys. And I think it's because of this railing here. It's glass, very nice feel. It's luxurious feeling here. Lots of natural light coming inside this home. Okay, I'm gonna go slowly, guys, and span the camera slowly so you can see the entirety of this open concept floor plan. Okay, I think you can still put like a table for your dining here, somewhere here, if you move it there a little bit, that couch, right? So definitely there are things you can do here to make it yours. They're just showcasing you the ability to have this kind of design if you want to. Okay, so far very open and a lot of lights coming inside. That's the beauty about having a condominium that is filled with bright light from outside. Oh my goodness, this is a comfy couch. I can sleep here for 4 hours, no problem. Ooh, beautiful. What a nice life, right? If you are able to buy this kind of a great detached condominium with beautiful designs. This is your kitchen with kitchen island and quartz countertop. Okay, now I'm seeing something here, guys. On the other model, which is a Loughton, you have the ability to have the terrace. And on the terrace, I saw this view. But on this model, I'm seeing it also. Right? Beautiful mountain views of the Summerlin. This is definitely the location is amazing. This is near the downtown Summerlin. Definitely you just cross the Charleston Boulevard. So that what you're seeing is the West Summerlin there. And that's where a lot of different homes are also being built. I'm just showing you the mountain, and that is my favorite, Cookie Mountain. That mountain there. Yeah. This mountain there. That's my favorite, Cookie Mountain. Yeah, that one. Okay, so far so good. This is the area for your refrigerator. Okay, I'm gonna span slowly so you can see how it looks like in front of the refrigerator. Double waterfall edge. They've used a one splash backsplash here, which is going to make your life easier in terms of cleaning because you don't have a lot of grout. You only have 2 seams. This is the one I'm seeing here, guys. Sometimes it's invisible in some other quartz selection. You have a vent hood that definitely vents outside. Thank you very much. Okay, and then electric stove, very efficient, right? Are you ready, guys, for the ultimate test of the day? It is soft closing. Thank you very much for that soft closing drawer. Okay, I'm seeing what I'm thinking is the trash and recyclable bin. Thank you very much, right? This small thing will matter a lot. If you move in, you don't have to worry where to put your trash and recyclables. It's already there. And it is soft closing. Thank you so much. This is the area for your Whirlpool dishwasher. This is a color one sink. Oh, wow. This is huge. This is a huge one. Oops. It is pull-out, definitely, and very luxurious color brand, right? This is a big one. So, for example, guys, you bought this beautiful detached condominium, one-of-a-kind plan, because you're in a condominium community, but it is detached. That means you don't share the walls, right? And this is the view in front of this thing. For example, a lot of people are enjoying the area there, the television. You can also watch the television right there while you're preparing the food. And for example, you put like a small table there, and you prepare a lot of Santu's meals, and everyone is enjoying your beautiful home. What a beautiful life, right? There's a lot of windows. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 windows just on this main living area. What a lucky one to have those kind of windows, right? This is a nice chandelier. So for example, they're giving an idea, right? And this is an open to below. So for example, your guests arrive at the front door, right? You don't have to go down immediately. You can just say, hello everybody, welcome to my beautiful home. Come on here, I'm up here. And then take some tequila, mojito, martini, right? I have a lot of those here at the second floor. So you don't have to go down to greet them. You can just greet them right in front here at the open to below. Okay, let's do this, guys. Let's enter your primary bedroom. Welcome to your primary bedroom. What I'm seeing lately is that people are no longer using the ceiling fan. They're already using a much more luxurious chandelier on their bedrooms. And the reason behind it is because there's so much efficiency already on your AC that sometimes you don't need the ceiling fan. And also there are much more advanced technology nowadays. Like for myself, I bought this, there's this technology where I plug it in and then the air is making it fresh. So that's the newer technology nowadays instead of a ceiling fan. Okay, wow, okay, so you've got a makeup area here if you want to, right? Hello guys. So you can do this kind of effect with lighting and then that kind of a quartz. Wow, beautiful. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, I'm gonna span slowly. You've got that window there that brings so much natural light inside. Okay. A lot of people will enjoy living in this area because it's easy commute to the downtown. Literally, you can cross the bridge and it's already downtown. Okay, welcome to your luxurious bathroom. Right? Really nice. Hello, guys. And then, this is the area for the shower. Okay. With 2 windows that bring so much natural light inside. This looks like the same concept as the Loughton model that I featured already on the channel, so don't forget to watch that. It's the same floor plan for the primary bathroom like this. Beautiful tiles. This is the water closet. And then, wow, look at how beautiful they custom made this cabinetry, guys. You can make it happen. This is not a big space, but it became double the size when you have this lighting effects. And then you've got different stuff going on, right? Drawers for your jewelries, your gold and silver. It is soft closing, I think. I just didn't push it hard. Okay, let's do this. It is soft closing. Thank you very much, right? So you can store a lot of your Louis Vuittons, your Hermes bags, right? And your hats if you want. You can put a lot of lightings. This is luxurious feeling. Definitely one of a kind LED lighted cabinets. I believe this is a nice feature that you can do at this space. When you have a lot of lighting LED lighted effects on your cabinetry, it makes it luxurious feeling. And glass doors like this also, right? You can do this and have locks there if you want, right? Okay, so definitely they're giving an idea that with such a not so big space, it will look really nice and big. Okay, so far so good. Comment down below, guys. What do you think of this beautiful detached condominium, right? Don't forget to watch the other model called Loughton. That one has a primary bedroom down below on the first floor with the option to have a second floor. And also that has the terrace if you want a terrace. Okay, so far so good. Comment down below. What do you think of this beautiful home? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Who knows, you might be a neighbor here with your cousins, your brothers, sisters, your parents, daughters, sons, and even your enemies might come and reconcile with you, your neighbors, right? Nothing is impossible. Okay, until next time, have an amazing day today. May God bless you all.